This video will show you how to make Intellimix the gateway to your individual sources and audio infrastructure. Let's have a look at all the connections and options Intellimix offers you. Therefore, I will give you an overview about all the connectors and extension slots to be found on the Intellimix Base Unit. Let's start with the Base Unit's front panel. For quick access, a mic line input and a headphone output are conveniently placed on the front panel. In addition, the front panel contains basic status indicators. The power and the ready LEDs indicate that the device is connected to a power source and is booted properly. The audio over IP LED indicates connected audio over IP, while the puck LED signals a USB connection to your computer. On top, you can find a reset switch in the left bottom corner. The Base Unit's back panel equips you with a bunch of in- and outputs. Analog I/Os allow for convenient connections to your local microphones, monitors and other equipment. Just like the mic input on the front panel, the mic 2 input can be configured as mic or line level. 2 balanced line I/Os and 2 unbalanced line I/Os serve as connectors for outboard equipment. Please note that all analog in and outputs are always mono. 2 D-type multi-I/O connectors combine digital and analog I/Os as well as GPIOs. These GPIOs assure flexibility for remote control. Use them for many convenient logic controls. 2 MADI opto connectors can be used to add optional MADI extensions, which are separately available for Intellimix Pro only. Intellimix Focus is not compatible with MADI. SPDIF ADAT opto connectors can be configured as SPDIF I/O or as multi-channel ADAT interface. Puck USB provides you with 16 I/O channels, 8 stereo or 16 mono channels. AES-3 interconnects a digital stereo source with the stereo destination. In addition, you get 4 APC ports. While APC-1 interconnects with the Intellimix control unit's power over Ethernet, APC-2 to 4 allow for various Intellimix Pro add-ons like SDI embedder, D-embedder or other I/O extensions. Intellimix Focus comes with only one unlocked APC port for the connection to the control unit. It is not compatible with any APC port extensions. A Sync I/O assures the synchronization with other gear. Use the E1 audio over IP to connect the computer when configuring the base unit or to interconnect the integrated Dante 4x4 interface. The extension slot 1 gives you further audio over IP connectivity. Intellimix Pro comes with x64 as standard, giving you connectivity to all audio over IP solutions. For Intellimix Focus, x64 audio over IP is available separately as an extension option. For more details, check out the video covering audio over IP.